With the experiment. Say what it is.
So we are making a volcano today with these colors, and we have another one that's starting right there, and the next one we didn't do it, and then you see this bottle is filled up. Well, what is this called, Mommy?
Vinegar.
Vinegar. We see this thing. We didn't put it in the funnel, and we didn't pour it in, and then, Mommy, just hold it, please. Thank you, Mommy. So now, is it a dough? You do it like this. It'd be fun. One to top.
Go.
One.
Stop. Okay.
That's enough. You see this? That's enough. And then you have to take this out.
Yeah, to put your drops.
Take this out. See these two colors. They made them make really cool.
What color? Explain the colors and what happens.
Yellow. I put yellow in and then blue, so it's mixed up with color.
Okay. What color is it going to make?
I don't know.
Okay.
That's enough. It's still. And now you see that? What do the colors make?
Well, we'll see. Okay.
Now, let it mix. It's black.
No? What color is it?
Green.
Green. Nice.
Nice color. That's a cool color. Now I'm ready for the baking.
You can put the funnel back.
The funnel, this.
Yeah. Not all of it because we need it for the other. And explain what that is. Baking soda?
Baking soda. So we put it and it'll make blue. And we still did this. That's all?
How about?
That's all?
Go more. A bit more. Okay, that's it.
Where's the top?
No, that's okay.
Not fuzzy. Little bit more.
It is fuzzing. No, we have to save this one for the other bottle.
Mommy, look. Not fuzzy.
Good job. You did it.
No. It's supposed to fuzz up now.
Oh, okay. The other one will make it go over.
How do you know? We would.
Okay. The other one will make it go over. I promise. Okay. Okay.
We did do all of it. All of it.
Fine. Okay. So next, put all the vinegar first.
Blue.
No, you have to put the vinegar.
Oh. So you see this? And then you're doing another one. The other one. Did you see the green one? Oh yes.